Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we'll be learning how to change the name of your TikTok account. To do so, go to your TikTok application and then tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Then you'll reach to your account. Now tap on edit profile and then there you can see your name. Tap on it and enter the new name you want to keep. And then tap on save. Now there appears a box saying set nickname. Tap on confirm and then you're done. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also hit the like button if the video helped you and please do subscribe for similar contents.